What if I told you your new construction home came with almost everything included? Come take a tour of one of Lennar's most popular floor plans. Welcome to the Concord model home built by Lennar in Harper's Mill, which is located in Chesterfield County, Virginia. This home is located about 25 minutes out from downtown Richmond, and it is actually one of their most popular floor plans. At its base, this home comes with 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a little under 3,300 square feet. This home, as you'll see, has a basement, so of course, there's more square footage, more bedrooms, and more baths. Lennar is known as a spec builder, which means that they have a lot of inventory that's either complete or close to being complete. Because of this, they are able to offer some amazing financing incentives, and that's also because they have their own mortgage company, Lennar Mortgage. At this time, they're offering an interest rate of a 4.99 and $15,000 in closing costs. Unbeatable given today's current market rates. They offer a variety of floor plans in this community from the mid-600s. This home, as you see it with all the upgrades and finishes, would sell at about $750,000. With a basement in this area, that's actually a steal. If you have any questions about Lennar as a builder, the community, this floor plans, or just buying and selling in the Richmond, Virginia area, remember, I am your home girl. My information is down below. To keep up with me on a daily basis, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My handle on both of those sites are Nika_Hansen. Enjoy the rest of this home tour.